Welcome to Hampshire, where predictably it's raining. Sometimes I can't cut the grass for 2 weeks because when it gets wet, my previous mower, which was a ride-on machine, it just cannot collect the grass. It just gets stuck in the system. I read the brochure. I also went on Google and saw lots of YouTube clips of people with automowers, and lots of them were showing it working in the rain. The bit that surprised me, it was the performance of its cutting when the grass is wet, and that took some convincing, but it is completely unaffected. The grass can be absolutely torrential rain, and the quality of the cut is exactly the same as if the grass was bone dry. The great advantage of having a machine that works in the rain is that I'm no longer tied to getting back to the house, say on a Saturday afternoon, if there is a clear period when it's not raining, to cut the grass.